What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the 4 Magic Jamaica channel. And today we are going to do a headlight cleaning on our 97 Light Ace. And we're going to try to bring back our headlight to almost as clear as our corner light. So this bus has been parked for a while now. You know, we have a lot of stuff packed up in it, but may have plans for it, no worry. Should be back on the road soon. Nothing is wrong with the engine. The engine is solid. It's a trace engine. The transmission is solid. It's just some cosmetic works more get done on the vehicle before we bring it back on road. This unit is completely fine. You know, we run this every day. You know, so big up the dial to Myra. Them two units are some complete workhorse, may I tell you. Workhorse them. This Toyota and the Daihatsu. I think Toyota actually make Daihatsu. I'm not sure, but yeah. So yeah, back to the main purpose of the video. We are gonna try get our headlight, you know, to perfection of the corner light. Planning to change these headlights eventually when the bus is back up, but you know, I just wanted to do a video for you guys to show you how well using a couple products that you can get at the store and a simple and easy method that you can use at home as well. So first I get your masking tape, either blue or green masking tape. Then we get the sandpaper. So excuse the quality of the sandpaper, but we have different grade sandpapers that we use. So we have 1000, we have 2000 here, and we have 1500 grade sandpaper. Now guys, it is safe to start with 1000 grade sandpaper. Anything lower is a risk. So if you're not a professional in cleaning the headlights, 1000 grade sandpaper is the best to start with, and then you gradually go up to 1500, then you go to 2000. Sorry. So we have sandpaper that grade up to even 3000 and 6000 to 8000. I think I have one in this car. I am not sure if you can see it clearly, but this is a 3000 grade sandpaper. Very smooth. You can use this to finish after you use the previous sandpaper grades that I showed. So pardon my masking skills, but this is how you would use tape to mask any headlights that you are restoring to basically protect the paint. And I did not have to mask the headlights on this bus because the bus is wrapped, so the original color is white and the paint is basically covered. But if you are doing your headlight and you want to protect your paint, it is best to mask off around the headlights. You can even put some newspaper or any kind of paper around it when you mask it and tape it off. So I'm going to start with the 1000 grit sandpaper to sand off the headlight. But before I start, I like to get it as wet as possible before I start sanding it. And I just fold the sandpaper in half and start to sand off all oxidation of the light. Alright guys, so this took a lot of elbow grease, not lie, but we are going to move from 1000 to 1500 now. So now we get it wet again, you know, to spray off all the sanding from the 1000, then we start to 1500. Alright, this holding the phone and sanding the headlight is harder than it seemed, you know. I forget a tripod and a mic and them thing there because, well, I tell you, yeah, but as you can see, it is gradually getting better and we're getting all the oxidation off the lights. So we're gonna start with the 2000 now and then the 3000. Alright, so we are getting somewhere now. I know it might look a little hazy, but it gets worse before it gets better. But this is how the other light looks over there compared to this light that we are working on. And guys, the best part about this is, you can literally start cleaning the headlights and find a better way. Because the best part about this is there's not one way to clean headlights. So, yeah. And I mean, who knows? One can even start a headlight business because it's not that time consuming. It's pretty easy. It takes about 30 minutes to clean the pair. So, I mean, and this is even a small business idea for, the young guys coming out of high school, or basically anybody that wants to go into business. That this could be a pretty good startup for a small business for anyone because it's pretty easy. So, yeah. Because the things you basically need are right. They're not hard to find. They're right here in Jamaica, and what you can't find out here, you can easily order online, get them in a week or probably 2 weeks. You can start a little business. You can actually charge up to 6,000 for a pair of headlights. So, and I mean, if one can clean up to 5 pairs of headlights for the day for $6,000, that is what 5 6 is $30,000 for the day, using things that you can find anywhere. They're not hard to find. So I would encourage anyone that wants to start a business to just start a simple headlight cleaning business. You can start with family, friends, give out a few free headlight cleanings, make some videos, put it online, let people see you in the streets. Because basically, if you look around, everybody headlight want clean. 80% of Jamaican cars headlights want clean. So this is some retail compound I bought from the paint store. I think I paid probably $700 for this small bottle of compound, and it's, I've had it for a couple months now, and it's basically, you can see it, it's not, not even half yet. So what I'm going to do is clean this part of the light first and leave this part and let you guys see the difference. Yeah, so we're just going to use a simple rag and apply the compound on this section of the light, just like that. Right, because you will need to buff out the haziness that the headlights, the sandpaper caused on the headlight, to make it clear again. Now I could use my hands with the same cloth and just rub the compound in the headlight to get a clearer look, but I'm going to use my Stanley buffer machine. People have paid like $25,000 for this buffer machine about 3 years ago. But before I had a buffer machine, I used to use a drill. Basically, it does the same work as the buffer machine to the headlights, but now I do buffing and waxing on vehicles, so having the buffer machine is an essential for me. But as I said, if you're just starting out and you want to just do headlights for a small business, you can get a drill, and it comes with these same, smaller than these, but they are the same attachable foam, pads that they have for the drills. I'll leave the link below, as I said. So we're just going to buff this side of the headlight to show the difference from this side. And as I said, it's going to be a little harder because I have the phone in this hand, and I'm using one hand for the buffer machine. So let me just try to see if I can work it. Alright, so here we have the headlight after it's been buffed off with the compound, and this is before. So the last step I'm going to do is add some clear coating to this part of the headlight, then I take off the tape. This is the last step of the headlight restoration. can say the masking tape is now losing its integrity, but you don't have to worry about that if that's happening for you. The buffer machine or the drill that you're using will basically take out any scratches that the sandpaper caused. These sandpapers don't cause any permanent damage to the paint. Any scratches that you get on your paint from the sandpaper, they can come out. The buffer machine can take them out. So this is a duplicolor step 2 clear coat. It comes in a pack with step 1 and step 2, but I don't like to use step 1 because it's a spray foam thing that you basically just spray on the headlight and you just wipe it off. But I don't use it because I use the sandpaper and the compound. So yeah, and you can get this. I bought this at the Sherwin-Williams paint store, but you can get it online as well. I will look for the link and put it below for you guys. So this is a very important step in the headlight cleaning. So we're just gonna give it a shake and apply it to this side and just spray in a catch over there, because I want you guys to see the difference between here and here when I finish cleaning the headlight. Here is supposed to look close to the corner light. So this is me in real time taking off the paint off the headlight. So as you can see, we have a huge difference. Huge difference. Look at it. Huge difference. This side basically looks as clean as this side now. Just to finish up this side now and get everything looking clear. And then we will compare it to the light that hasn't been touched as yet. So this is the finished product of the entire light, and it is looking close to the corner light that was clean before. It's basically looking brand new again. And if we are comparing it to this light over here, this is fully restored. That probably saved this bus headlight probably next 2 years. I will still change it, but yeah. So not going to lie, this headlight looking crisp again, fully restored, clear, compared to what it was looking like before. Yes, we can say it is looking much better. So if you even work at a call center, this would be, a perfect side hustle for you. You would make a killing cleaning all your co-workers' headlights with all these products that I purchase locally at any local stores. And you can charge anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 per headlight. So yeah, it's a easy startup business. Easy startup business for anyone want to side hustle or want to start a small business with what they have and little starting funds. You can use a buffer machine if you have direct electricity, or you can get drill, as I said before, so you can be portable with all your tools that you need to clean the headlights. So guys, thanks for watching. Comment on the video and tell me what you think about the outcome of this restoration on our unit compared to what it looked like before. Like and subscribe and all of that. Please, thanks.